Good morning, children. How are you all? I hope so you are fine and safe. Children, now open your EVS textbook. We will do today a new lesson. Lesson 5, the family of water. Children, in last class we studied the importance of water. Today we are going to study the family of water. Identify the name that live in river and sea. Observe the response of plant and animal to rain. Express the response of plants and animals through songs, dance, and other cultural expression. Identify the change that occur in the quantity of water flow in different seasons. Now children will read out the lesson. Drop of water falling. It may rain. Oh, drop of water, are you here? Children, look at these plants and trees enjoying. If it rains, they will be happy. Isn't it, children? When it rains, the plants will be happy. Yes, look at them. They are charming. Drop of water. Today I had been to the river with my sister. Next page, children. Page number 44. Did you? The fish, frog and crab in the river were also happy. Here, children, see in the picture. They are animals, birds, plants, trees. See, when I come to earth in the form of rain, all the living beings feel happy, don't they? Yes, no, children. All the living beings on the earth, when it rains, they are very happy. Next, yes, the drop of water. Turn the page, children. Page number 45. Drop by drop in the form of rain, I come to the earth. I flow in the form of stream and join the rivers. All the rivers flow into the sea. They are different kinds of plants and animals in the river and seas. Here, children, rain comes to the earth, flows in form of stream, joins the river, and then it joins the sea. Activity. Look here. It is the picture of a river. Identify the animals. Write their name in the space provided. Now children, here are some animals. We have to write their names. So which animal is this, children? Crocodile. We have to write here in the given space. Crocodile. Next, children, here what is this? This is fish. Right, children? Fish. Next, children, here which is this? This is frog. Right here, frog. Next, children, here this is duck. This, children, tortoise. Here, children, crab. This is swan. This is snail. So children, these are the animals which live in river. Next, children, page number 46. See, here is a picture of a sea. Look at the animals that live in the sea. So children, this is the picture of the sea. Here are so many animals. Which are they? They are fish. So many fish. Here, starfish. Here, so many fish are there. Here, there is octopus. No, children. See here. Yes. Activity. Some of the animals are given below. Write their name below their pictures to place them in a proper habit. Write their names in the suitable column. So children, they have given here some animals. So like crocodile, frog, whale, snake, crab, fish, prawns, tortoise, starfish, octopus, seahorse, etc. So these children, these are the sea animals. So here they are. Sea and river animals, those are children. Here. So these are all sea and river animals. So you'll have to separate it and write in this column, children. Like river animal is crocodile, sea animal is whale, starfish. You'll have to fill it. This is for homework, children. See, when it rains, everything look green. The plants and trees grow and become beautiful. The ponds and river flow full of water. Oh, how wonderful! Oh, how many plants and animals are living in water? Children, how many plants? There are many plants and many animals which live in water. Now children, next page. So children, true, ponds and streams will dry up. There will be less water in the river too. Children, in every season there is a up high and low of water average. So it is in summer season it is less, in rainy season it is more, in winter season it is medium, like that children. It varies in every season. Yes, yes, drop of water. Here children. Activity. There are ponds and river in your place. Aren't there to show the level of water in them? Put a tick mark in the table given below. So children, here is the source of water. Rainy season, winter season, summer season. High, average, low. In the river, lake, stream and others. So if it is in a rainy season, river it will be high. Here in winter children, average. And here in summer season, it is low. Next page children, we'll go to page number 49. Why does the level of water in the river, pond and well vary during different seasons? Ask your elder and know the reason. So children, it varies children. When it rains, the water level will be high. In summer, it rise. It will be hot sun, no children, very hot. So water gets evaporated. So the water level becomes. Children, have you observed plants, trees and animals in different seasons? Yes. Drop of water. In summer, the plants and animals lose their shine due to the shortage of water. Even the birds and animals lose their liveliness. Yes, children. Yes, when it is in summer, the plants and all get dried without water. Animals even too. During rainy season, the ponds and river flow with a lot of water due to rains. During summer, the ponds and river become dry due to heat and absence of rain. Yes, drop of water. You are essential for the animals and plants. We also need you. Yes, children, we also need water. Every living creature in the world need water. Yes, I am essential for all. Do you understand it? Now children, next page, page number 50. Shall we sing a rainy song? So children, here it is. A song is there. We'll read out it. Rain, rain, come again. The garden are dry. Rain, rain, come again. Come, come. No water for banana garden. Rain, rain, come, come, help us grow crops. The living beings are thirsty. They are waiting for you. Why are you so angry? Come and make them happy. Rain, rain, come, come, help us to grow crops. The rain fall on the earth, drop by drop. The crops on the earth grow and grow. There is happiness all around. The earth is beautiful with greenery. Your children, in this poem, they are saying, they are calling rain to come fast and make them happy. Children, next page number 51. So don't want this, children, this is not so important. What do you do when it rains? So children, in this given space, you all have to write. What do you all do? You all enjoy the rain, isn't it, children? Yes. Now children, next page number 52. Activity. How do the living beings give below react during rain or after the rain? Enact and show it. So children, coconut tree, banana tree plant, grass, pumpkin creeper, paddy plants, a frog, fish, cow, tortoise, bird. So this is an activity. You have to enact it, children. It is like a small skit. Next, children. All right, children. I shall proceed forward. Drop of water. Will you really go? Yes, I have to go. Please collect small poem on rain. With the help of elders, sing them melodiously. Yes, children, if you all have a poem on rain, of rain, so you all can write it. Okay, children. And then, now children, water is important for each and every living beings. Isn't it, children? Living beings which live on earth. Okay, children, we have finished the lesson. If you all have any doubts, please ask me and read and see the video twice. Okay, children, take care. Bye.